Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that gold is currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly perspective, we can see that gold is a long term bullish market. We saw with this monthly impulse correction, we have seen another impulse. Now gold is in another correction phase. Now this is the support where gold has started its second impulse in that move. And if we take our Fibonacci for this impulse, starting of this move to the end of the move, we can see that gold currently approaching 38.2% Fibonacci level. If you closely look at, we see that this 38.2% Fibonacci level is also exactly aligning with this monthly low, which is the 1977 level, and highly likely that gold will come down to break this low to grab liquidity, and then we could see another bullish move to the upside. For the time being, we can expect gold to come down further, as we saw that at the top gold has created an all-time high. This is the last historical visited price, and we saw that this month the price has crossed that high and then triggered a huge liquidity, rejected towards the downside. Highly likely gold will come back down now to grab another liquidity before moving to the upside. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that gold is doing exactly according to the analysis. We saw that there was a long weekly candle that has in fact huge liquidity trigger at the top as well as at the bottom, and followed by a doji previous week. Now this week, as expected, we see that gold is started to drop. Now what we can expect with that drop, gold to come down to break this weekly low, and which is the monthly low, grab liquidity, and then we can expect another bullish move to the upside. So from the lower time frame, we still can see gold to come down to fill that imbalance. Now if we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily perspective, after previous days narrower doji, which is exactly expected, as you have seen in the weekly forex forecast as well, gold has created a lower high along this zone, and then we saw today, once the market opened, the price started to drop. Now with that drop, what we could see that gold finally may come back down to this monthly support, and with that break of this monthly support creating an overextended market, we could see that gold again bouncing to the upside. So from the lower time frame, there is a high probability for gold to continue to drop. So monthly, weekly, and daily is aligning for a potential bearish opportunity on gold. Let's look at for the lower time frame on the intraday perspective. Now in this 4 hour time frame, we have seen that there was a huge manipulation during this news today, and this is the candle where we saw that there is a huge liquidity grab and also tested this important support as a resistance. And at the same time, we see that gold, in fact, this is the very important level of support, was respecting for long period of time, and we saw this support has completely broken towards the downside. Now what we can expect, now this current candle is below that level of support, which is closing almost 2 hours later. If this candle managed to close below this support, then we can expect a retest of this support, local support here, and also this is a resistance here as a resistance. On the retest of this support as a resistance, if the price manage to reject from that level, then we can consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.